What's up, fennekojjman? JJ Mans. JJ Mans. Man's out there been sick, you know. Fennekojjman JJ Man. Fennekojjman. And I never upload for quite a long because I had to delete all my goddamn videos for the sake of purposes. I used to be 17 and 16 before, but now I think about 18 right now. Yeah. I feel bad for Prince. I deleted Prince's channel because I reported him too many times. And beyond my weekends, I had to go to delete it. I might tell you this some other time. Bye. I'll tell you. Also, I'm quitting, by the way, because I'm quitting because I'm fed up with Prince, fed up with my car, keeps crashing a lot. Have a nice day.